This 50-foot Steinwhale Ethernet cable is purpose-built for Starlink Standard, Starlink Gen 3, and Starlink Mini users who need a dependable wired link to their router. It's Category 5E construction with 26 American wire gauge conductors and gold-plated RJ45 ends delivers gigabit-level throughput that feels very consistent in everyday use. The cable jacket uses a thick dual-layer design with a sealed barrel-style connector that keeps moisture out, making it well-suited for long-term outdoor runs. It stands up well to both summer heat and winter cold, so you can route it along exterior walls, across yards, or on an RV without worrying about weather-related dropouts. For Starlink Mini owners in particular, this cable makes it easy to pair the dish with a stronger third-party router and noticeably improve coverage inside larger spaces. At 50 feet in length, it offers plenty of reach for flexible dish and router placement while still remaining tidy and manageable to route and secure.